Welcome back to Heaven's Kitchen. Today, we have a heavenly recipe that will surely transport your taste buds to a world of savory bliss. Delicious beef stew. To start, grab a large mixing bowl and take some succulent beef cubes and generously season them with salt, black pepper, cornstarch, and soy sauce. Give it all a good mix, ensuring each piece of beef is coated in this divine marinade. Let it marinate for an hour, allowing those flavors to mingle. Now, heat a skillet over medium heat and drizzle some oil. Once that skillet is hot, it's time to introduce our marinated beef cubes. Cook them until they are beautifully browned. In another skillet over medium heat, drizzle some oil and add finely chopped onions. Sauté them until they turn tender and fragrant. Now, it's time to add in some beautiful carrots and leeks. Continue sautéing these vegetables for about 3 minutes until they start to soften. You will find all the ingredients in the description box below. Here's where the flavors really come together. Create a little well in the middle and add minced garlic. Sauté it for just a minute until it becomes aromatic. Then give it a good mix. Now, let's take it up a notch. Add tomato paste, soy sauce, black pepper, and a touch of fresh thyme. Give it all a good mix, and let these flavors meld together for about 5 minutes. To complete this heavenly braise, pour in some rich beef broth. Give it a final stir, and watch how everything comes together beautifully. Finally, reintroduce our browned beef cubes to the mix. Cover it and let it cook on low heat for about an hour. The result? A dish so tender, so flavorful, it's practically celestial. And there you have it, a celestial creation from our Heaven's Kitchen. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all our heavenly recipes. Until next time, keep cooking, keep savoring, and keep making your kitchen a little piece of paradise.